In this video, I'm going to solve the system of equations. So since they're both equal to y, I'm going to take this expression and plug it in here for y. So that's going to give me x squared minus 5 is equal to 4x plus 7. Now I'm going to move everything to one side. So I'm going to subtract 7 from both sides. And I'm going to subtract 4x from both sides. So now I have two choices. I can solve this by factoring or the quadratic formula. And I'm going to use the quadratic formula. So I'm identifying my a, b, and c. So a equals 1, b equals negative 4, and c equals negative 12. So now I'm going to go ahead and plug those values into my quadratic formula. So when I simplify what's underneath the square root, I get 64. So that's going to give me 4 plus or minus 8 over 2. So I get two answers from that. One is 4 plus 8 divided by 2, which is going to give me 12 divided by 2, which gives me 6. And the other will be 4 minus 8 divided by 2, which gives me negative 4 over 2, which gives me negative 2. So I have two values for x. One is x is equal to 6. The other is x is equal to negative 2. So that's giving me two possible points. One is negative 2 comma blank, and the other is 6 comma blank. So I need to figure out the y coordinates for each one of these points. And I'm going to do that by plugging in x into either one of my two equations. I'm going to use the linear one, and I'm going to start with x is equal to 6. So I'm going to take my 6 and plug it in there for x. So that gives me y is equal to 4 times 6 plus 7, which gives me 31. So one point is 6 comma 31. I'm going to do the same thing and take negative 2 and plug it in there for x. So that gives me y is equal to 4 times negative 2 plus 7, which gives me negative 1. So my other point is negative 2 comma negative 1. So these are my two answers, or the two places where the lines will intersect.